excited. It's NBA draft. And I just want to see the first pick come in. That boy's 7'5". Or hit his head on the damn fucking Jumbotron. So, yeah. How's everybody doing? Had a nice morning session. Time for a good evening session. I like Thursdays. Thursday's a good day. Well, let's wait for it to fill up. Let's fill it up in here. What's going on? Let's get 200 on here so we can do a breakdown or something. Something like that. All right, I don't know. They're taking forever to announce it, so we know who it is. It's Victor Wembanyama, but Wembanyama. Made your New York session? Well, my New York session made my New York session. Props to this family man who shows up every day. Thank you very much. Alright, well, while they're doing that shit on ESPN, let's discuss our potential for today. Daily, bearish. We'll look to continue this. This bearish momentum. I think we closed below the daily level here. Did we? Closed right at it, actually. Well, we closed right at it before, and we still ended up driving. So we're going to be bearish after a slight pullback today. Previous 4-hour close bearish. This one hasn't moved. We've stranged. Exciting. Oh, hold on. They're coming out with the pick. Here comes the bald man. Victor Wembanyama. Alright. Oop-de-doo. This wasn't the big question here on draft night. It wasn't who's gonna go first. The question here was who's gonna go second and third. Who's gonna go second and third, in what order? Half the chat. It's like, what the fuck is he talking about? It's the NBA draft, all right? Basketball. Seven foot four. That boy tall. All right. I just want to see him next to Adam Silver. I want to see when he walks across the stage. He's like a twig. He needs to put some body mass on him. Big kid. Oh man, that's a big dude. Create a little range here. Let's see if we can get out of this range this session. Sorry, gang. I'm over here. I forgot. I'm even on stream. I'm over here listening. I turn this motherfucker down. Listening to the interview. I forgot I'm streaming. I'm over here just doing stuff. All right. Yo, it's been a long day. What's the deal, Jay? Welcome to the Zoom. See where we can have some buying position. How fucking far I gotta scroll? See if this makes sense. All right. Yeah. So at this moment, we are in range 1. Okay? So if we come up above 1917.26, I will still look to come back down in range, and I will look for a fake out. I will look for buys above this area. Right now it's this area. It could be sooner depending on how we start printing around here, or 1920.328. Alright, so it's a possibility we could get something above there, but it's gonna have to be with a pullback. But ideally what I want to see is us. Tino, welcome to the show. Don Juan, welcome to the show. Ideally, what I want to see is us drive up here. Right. Goes above and start heading back down. Oh, oops. And start heading back down. Maybe reject off this area. And start heading back down in range. Ideally, this is what I want to see. If we can get this on a higher time frame, depending on how this plays out, we might get some sells based on the higher time frame once we come back in range on the break of this previous candle. And oh, shit, your track's coming up here, chat. Hold on. We put it on pause. If this happens and we start closing back in range and we get this rejection here, like this, right? We come back up, reject off of here, and start flipping and breaking the hourly or the 30-minute when it prints here, then we'll look for sells down. Outside of that, if we break above this area, it'll be off the rip below 1912.5. If we don't break above 1917.6 and we just come straight down here, right? If we just head down and close here, I will look for a pullback, maybe a higher time frame, bullish candle, respecting this area, and on a smaller time frame, on a 5 minute, it might look like, you know, a few candles pulling up here, and then start heading back down. It might look like this on the 5, right? But at this point, once you break on the higher time frame below here, we will look for positions. Or if you close on the 5 minute, you'll see closures below this area. And once we see a closure on the 5, we'll be in here to retest, to test these lows. And if this doesn't happen and we end up driving straight through here in this area, we will be off the rip right here. Okay, capiche? Utilizing a stop over here. So that's the way the cookie crumbles. All right, perfect. Yo, Tino, what are you in right now? Is that a Huracan? Why are you in a Lambo, dog? Yesterday he was in a jet ski. Now he's in a Lambo. Oh, that's a Corvette, right? I can't tell. Oh, the doors are up. That's not a Huracan. That's not. What is he in? Yo, show everybody what you got going on right here. It's the same guy that was on the jet ski yesterday, chat. What is he doing? Yo, can we see the car? Can we see the whip? Yo, can we see the whip? The
Can't hear
car.
nothing out here.
The car. Room, room. I'm in my mom's car. Room, room. Can we see the car? Oh, he doesn't want to show. Show the car.
Always multitask.
Oh, this guy.
Do like 20 things at one time, I swear.
Wait, hold on. I can write it on here.
I can't hear you guys though. Hope you guys enjoying the day.
Oh, that is. It's a vet. That's what I said. Yeah, the interior, the dash looked like a vet. This guy's on the beach, right near the beach, boy. Oh, hold on. He's showing the whip. There we go. There we go. We got a tour of the car. Oh, you got the doors going up on the vet. All right, that's why I was confused. I was like, wait a minute, the doors just went up? It looked like a vet interior. All right, get the plates, everybody. Get the plates. That shit is clean. Chad, tell me that's not clean. Forex profits. How much is this car? It's I don't know, it's a vet. 80, 90 racks probably. Bro went crazy. Yeah, look, he's got a lip. He's got the lights done up in the front. Got rims. He's got a cute little spoiler that adds like 89 horsepower. Got a purple wrap, right, on a red car. He's got the red interior, which is pretty expensive, bro. He got the doors that go up. Pew, 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 pew. 85K, but you customized it a whole lot at my. Oh, you have your own shop. That's why. Appreciate it. Yeah, this shit is fire. I like it. Nice job, Val or Tino. Nice job. All right. Hold on, let me remove. Oh, now it prints. Show us the car. Now it prints in there. Ah. Anyway, so that was our breakdown. And then Tino broke down the car for us. Pick is in. Wait a minute. I missed pick number 2 and pick 3, didn't I? Wait. Fuck. Well, it ain't me, so I don't care. All right, gang. We have a breakdown. We know what to expect. Let's put this up to the 1 hour. Let's see if we can break some highs, break some lows, because we can't do shit in this range, right? This range right here. This is just right here. Yeah. Can't do nothing in here. Oh, I can't make it bigger? All right, we gonna have some, wait. Boom. And boom. Look at that track. Don Juan said, no doors that go up, not that cool. It's alright, well, you'll get there one day, Don Juan. One day you'll have doors that go up. Yo, Wix, obviously you take your own positions, but do you take all the same as Don as well? No, not all. We take a lot of the same positions. Like, a large number of positions we take the same. Especially if we're on stream together, and especially if we analyze them together. Yeah. Want us to come up here. Come up to 1917.26, break above, and then start heading back down. Ideally, right? Because look at our daily. We have a top wick here, but it's tiny, like relatively tiny top wick here, right? With the massive amount of movement we had, it's only 20 pips, 22 pips. Should come up more. Looks on yesterday's New York trade. How do you guys know the pop is coming? Because it had clean range. It broke all the lows, and it had volume. Like you can see the price ticking down, and once it broke all the lows, you just can tell it was gonna pop. That's what it does. Especially when there's a lot of volume, you see the price really like almost vibrate on the screen, right? And then if it's clean traffic and you broke all the wicks, sometimes you get that you break all the wicks and the candle closest range to the left behind all the wicks that you clear is just one big clean candle on, on all the time frames. So you know it's gonna pop. You don't know, but it's highly likely, right? So if you're playing the probability game, probability is on the side of that. Can I explain ranges being cleared out? Of course, yes. You see how we're in a freaking range right now? This freaking range. You see it? Now, if the price comes up here, and then decides to come back down, it'll most likely fill this range really quickly. Now when this happens, see, now that you have, instead of all of this, you get just clean drive up or down. Next time you come through this whole range, you're most likely going to drive. So next time when the market structure changes and all of a sudden you're coming up here, right? Whoops, and all of a sudden you're coming up here from where next time you're in this range, you're probably just going to drive straight through instead of having to deal with all of this. You're more likely to mirror this. That's how you clear out a range. Why not trade the morning? We did trade in the morning. I had 20 pips this morning. 3 positions, 2 break evens and 1 for 20 pips. Broke above the 5-minute range here, right? You guys see this? There's a 5-minute range here. There's just, it's not big, it's not huge. Closed above it over here. Right? And now we created a resistance. So now if we close above this resistance here, technically, next candle should drive up. The issue is your next advantage point is right here. So that would be roughly roughly like your advantage point is like 8-9 pips, right? And the range up is 10-12. So that's why I would rather wait for it to reject and come back down. But if it starts closing above our levels and not coming back down, so this can be really misleading. Let me get rid of this for the fake out. That's the higher time frame, but we might get buys above there too, as long as we come back down and find support and then end up driving back up. Get rid of this. I'll put a line there, but it's possible to get buys above there as long as we find a resistance, support, and then drive them past it. We ever traded during London session? Yes, we did our makeup session for Sunday Unfiltered a couple of weeks back during London, and we got a nice W. And we might do one tonight. If we move here, we'll do one tonight. I was supposed to do one either tonight or yesterday, but most likely, all right. If you're in the Zoom, if you're at Wix's table, if you subscribe to Wix's table, you're part of the private session gang. Well, 99.9% we run one tonight. I'm really determined to do it tonight. So at 1 a.m. Eastern tonight, live on YouTube, we'll do it pre-London. And that's a private session. It'll be on YouTube, but it won't be public. Right here. How to subscribe at Wix table? There's a join button next to the subscribe button. Oh. Daily target by tomorrow night. Well, we're either gonna range here or break down to 1906, 1905 areas, 1900 areas. Is this type of trading called scalping? Yes. I don't know. This is just trading. It's scalping. We're scalping. We're day trading. You know, sometimes we're in a position for a few hours. Sometimes for a couple of minutes. Just depends. Why can't I find a joint? You on mobile probably. I think you have to be on a desktop. Chat, drop a like, sub to the channel. Yo, we're 30-7 for the year. Come on. Drop a like for the patience. Actually, I don't care if you drop a like or not, but it's good. Not that I don't care. I wish it would. It's good for the algo, chat. That's what it is. It grows our stream. It grows the community. And it's when you drop a like, it grows it with like-minded people. Did you start off with an all the time frame started out, or you just make the move more comfortable? You were with the mark. Yeah, over time. Over time, we drop time frames. Just to be more precise. Why not use all? Oh, there's Val. You're blocking my charts, Tino. Back home. Hold on. Kick you out the beach. Center screen, yeah. I don't know, because you logged off when it was there, and I didn't move it. It's so crazy. Did you guys see what happened with that sub? This shit imploded. It's crazy. That's a damn tragedy. They found it, yeah. Join the trade in the morning. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah, the shit collapsed on itself. It's there's not much they're gonna find. So many candles with no wick. They just grabbing a Krabby Patty. That's messed up. What do you think of GJ right now? Would you smoking? I'm smoking a couple of different things. Sour's over there. This shit over here. No, it's a normal one. Well, the THC one is the normal one, maybe. Very sad. Poor kid on board. I wanted to go because it would make us a high fuzz. So sadly, this is quick dub. Well, that's a knowledge we all want. Family, huh? You the one in charge. Read the Bible. You want me to read the Bible on stream? No, this is Forex. Read you the candlestick Bible. The Bible stick candle? Who's up for that? Bible stick candle all day. GJ breaking. Where is it breaking? Your heart? Oh, man. Chat, I need a room full of mirrors so I can be surrounded by winners. Straight cheese. What up, Wix 12? Okay, I know what you want. I know. Alright, fine. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Can't wait to have some kids one day. What you gonna do? Put the baby seat in front, in the front seat with you in the vet? Where's the baby going? In the engine bay? Oh, that's a nice looking engine. That ain't the engine, that's the stroller, bitch. That's a nice looking engine. Can we do a something? Go 6 more. We drove my C8 maybe 2 times. Don't have kids. Word. Or lose your sport cars. Word. At least your C8 is low mileage right now. When you flip it, call Tino. Maybe he's gonna want a second one. NBA draft. Yeah, I was watching. I turned it off. I got annoyed because I couldn't follow. They kept taking interviews and I didn't know who picked who, so I turned it off. Is about to turn 1. Where does the time go? You see how valuable the time is? Right? Can't get that back. Right? You can't. You can get some more money here, but you can't get that time back. Can't wait to have kids. Coffee always tastes better when someone else makes it. Yeah, you know, cleaning the house is also much easier when someone else does it. But then what kind of fucking example are you setting? Learn how to make coffee. Best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Hey, Folgers, hit me up. I could do this jingle 4 times a stream. We give you a nice spot here, right under the Wix 9 logo. If anybody knows the exec at Folgers, let them know there's a FOREX streamer. I don't care if it's Folgers, Mountain Peak, or Lipton. Hit me up. Best part of waking up is brewing your own cup. Did the dude before used his profits to buy the car? I have no idea. No, I think he does a little fraud on the side. All right, fine. guy, he does things. Sell car parts, do customization as my main business. Oh, used to have a car guy on here. Damon hopes you leave your fraudulent activities behind, Tino. We're rooting for you. What kind of PC are you using? It's that 2024. That's the prototype. 2024 CyberPower Type S. Type S V-Spec twin turbo. Twin exhaust. What's happening? Nuclear liquid salt, sure. It's not a weed growing box. Or no, I didn't get the add-on. Kids want pizza, chat. They won't stop with this pizza thing. We already had pizza. Pizza. It's interesting. We come back down below here. draggy over here. Kind of a draggy session. What's going on? You know what I think is missing? Oh, we just had a 4-hour close. Why didn't nobody say anything? I'm gonna be on my C8. We closed back below here, gang, on the first 5 of the 4-hour. The 4-hour closed extremely bullish, though. I have a hard time justifying a sell here at the moment. Let's see if we can anticipate something here. I've closed back below. All right, we broke the previous 30. I need some kind of closure here on the higher time frame, because right now the higher time frames all close bullish above the range, and at any moment this candle, this hourly, can just flip bullish and drive straight up. All right, so if it drives down to retest the lows, great. If it doesn't, comes back up, great. But we're 50-50 here. I can't justify a position at the moment. Even though it should technically, based on the way it closed here, it should run down. But that's just strictly the 5, right? Second chat. Daily might flip here, which would be interesting, but will it drive down? 4-hour, making a bottom wick only for now. The hourly, we need a closure. We need something like this to continue heading back down here. We don't close, drive down, great. That's a lot of volume. But it's not going to give us an entry. It's not going to play nice here. Neither are we. Because for all we know, this is just the bottom wick on the higher time frame. Give you a flip. Or are we coming back down in range? What are we doing? Close back below here, and then now it closed back above. Pick a direction. It's been a draggy evenings. 420 on the charts. Nice. 420 watching us. Almost 419. We got one more. I'm gonna have to go smoke. We gonna have to lap one up. There we go, 420 watching. Yeah. Let's see if I got any magic dragon packed in here. Apparently not. Get over here. What a lazy session. For now, chat. Not over. Just kind of lazy. What up, John? They ain't real, they ain't like first. There's session chat just is right here. Ew, something. going on, chat? Is everyone else here waiting patiently for positions, or is everyone panicking, or who's in positions? Who's in buys? Who's in sells? Tell me. Let's discuss. Buys chilling. I'm gonna buy BE trade just now. We shades of session. New York session was reversed. In what sense? GJ sells a bit ago. Nice. W. Signals are gonna buy. Are they? Yo, if you're in a signal group, don't call out signal positions on here. Please. Flip it. Flip it like it's a burger. Oh, wow. The 15 close. Interesting. I don't know. 15. 5 close. Expecting here. Closes below here. I could still flip on the higher time frame. $19.14.44 support. I'm holding on to 4.4. Well, where did you get a buy? What was your entry? I see your support. I think if you had a buy, you want it to hold right here, right where we're at. I think below this area, we can start looking for sells. 1915.27. Oh, alright. Nice entry above there. Okay. You were in profit then. You should have been. Oh, you seem like 8-9. I see. Not enough to close out. I see. Well, I don't know. It's looking. I don't know how it's looking for buys right now. I mean, you need to see closures, obviously, for you to manage position here. I don't know. Been bearish all day? Yes, it has. The bias is bearish. The bearish is bias. Hello, hello, hello. Been bearish all day. You need a bullish drive up here. Oh, he was talking to someone else. You need a bullish drive somewhere up on these candles. I think if you start closing here in the next 8 minutes on the 30 below here, might have the next candle come up, make a top wick, and drive down to fill the range here. Key how the 30 closes here. Last loss outside stream last week. Last week was the last loss outside stream. Yeah, with this 5 flipping here, like, as I say that, it flips bullish again. Let's see where this 30 closes for you. I think you're fine if it closes above here. I think you should start managing risk or lock in your stops if it closes below here. Nice 30 level here. You see what happened last time it closed below there? It filled the range down. Over leveraged, took a loss you can't tolerate. I mean, I've tolerated every loss so far. I mean, I've gotten over them. I've had big losses. I've had losses that weren't big, but they hurt because I was so confident in the position, right? Where like, this is like, yeah, for sure. Like if it wasn't for my risk management, right, and not over risking, like I had like positions like, yeah, this is running. Oh, stop, smack. Like, what? Chillin', bullish. Overall, I'm bearish, but I can see where a bullish position might come into play. So the 30 closed here. The 30 closed respecting this level, and even respecting this higher level. So this is very interesting here. Oh wait, no, the 30 didn't close yet. 5 more minutes. I'm sorry, that was the 5. I thought the 30 closed. Hold on, that's not really good because the 5 closed here with no top wick. Next candle will be a... Yo, you better stop cursing at me. Matter what? I'm gonna look that up. See, this is the part that you cannot backtest. You can never backtest looking at candles moving, right? And staying calm while they're moving. You can skip candles when you backtest, or typically they'll just print, but you can't backtest this. Not get in a position. What do you think if someone's in buy? I think this 30 is key for you. I mean, overall, right? I mean, I don't know, the previous 4 printed bullish, but it's a bearish day, and these indications of us printing below these ranges are just initial indications of a move down. So if it doesn't respect them, it's tough. Closes below, technically it should come down, but then you have the hourly still open. The previous, it could still flip, right? So just keep it. If you're in buys, you want 30 close above 1914.9, 1915. Yeah, like just look at it. Just look at it. 1 minute here for the 30. Yeah. Oh, and the 5 printed with no bottom wick. The 30 has a bottom wick. Yeah, I'd expect this to come down. But then again, that 5 no bottom wick, you know, there's a lot that can happen here. The 5 no bottom wick is interesting, but really if you look at the higher time frames, I don't see what's going to hold them back. Eating mini roast pizza with tuna, pretty happy over here. It's crazy. You are crazy, my friend. Are we gonna drive down, or is this the bottom wick for the hourly to come up? Oh shoot, the hourly broke the previous hourly low. I didn't realize that. Did it? Yeah. It broke the low. Haha. Very interesting. Yeah, it should come down. Looks we doing London. Yeah, I'm gonna really try to do London tonight. I'm very interested in London. Yeah, your hourly here is massive. Honestly, if the 30 gave us a top wick, I think we could have looked for sells, but let's see if we can get down below this area. This is a good candle here, the 30. Our issue is the hourly still open. At any moment it could have flicked. But right now, this is good. Let it come down here, and maybe we'll have some positions below here. Interesting. Shameless fuckery. Yeah, I want to, like, here's the thing. Once again, I don't want to just sit there for London and nothing happens and we're going to just do this. This isn't bad. Watch it start coming up. If this starts flipping for the hourly right now and starts driving, this would be interesting. This might flip bearish here. I don't know. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, now it should fill this wick down the way it's printing. I don't. It's very tough in these ranges. Really want the higher time frames to give you indication of direction. Give me 1 second. My kids want some sweets. I found marshmallow. Marshmallow. Yo, if we had positions here on the 30. Oh, it's only like 8 pips. No. Excuse me. daily here. Let's flip and drive. Chat. I know it's been a draggy session, but we're finally coming down here. Flipped on the daily. Hopefully we break the previous daily wick and maybe we can get some positions. If we close below here in a minute, I'm gonna think about having some sells off the rip here. Close below 1912.544. Seconds. Yeah, the 4 hours broke all these lows here. We get, you know, the 4 hour break low here. Last 15 of the hourly. I mean, I don't really mind. You just need a closure below. Closure and top wick. Might get it, might stay in range. Let's see. Let's see. Daily looks good. Alright, lows are broken here. Broke the previous daily lows. See, if it closes here in a minute, I'll be in off the rip. We have 90 seconds here for this 5. Obviously, we want this to have a bottom wick. And it'd be ideal if the next candle opened up with a top wick, and we could have a sell stop on the break of this candle low. Let's see how it closes here in 30 seconds. Might not close at all, so pay attention. Yeah, I thought that 5 was gonna close there. Once we started breaking below, we would have been in, but it rejected. So we might have to wait for this hourly close. But I'm gonna hang out through it with you guys through the hourly close. I might stay on a little bit longer depending on how this hourly closes, right? Because we close below the most recent here at 13,420, and now we close on a 5 below here. I'll be in. Obviously, it might just build the range down, but I have to get a closure here because it keeps rejecting. drives down, but you want the hourly to do this to leave a wick for us, so you want it to pull back here. But see how much range it takes up. All right, serious business, yo. What about 11 here on the break of that low, but I can't take it. Can't take it. I guess this is good for London. We're driving, creating range that we can just fill in London, but I can't take a position here. Ideally, this pulls back here a little bit more. Or the hourly just fills this whole freaking range in the next 5 minutes and then... Oof. Top look here on the 5 minute. $19.10.6 low. You're looking for BE. I'm looking looking around 1909 for B. What we're gonna look for here is this hourly close. And once we get the hourly close, I'm gonna look for a top wick on the next hourly and maybe have sell stops. Hour having no top wick could be an issue. It has a top wick. Small, but it has something. The daily flipped and started driving down, right, into this range here. Let's see what the hourly closure brings. Okay, 1 minute for the hourly close here. 90 seconds. Yeah, the only good entry I would have seen here is this. 1914.625, but we would have needed a top wick here. Pretty decent top wick. So I wouldn't have entered anyway. There's no one there. I would have entered. And here, never closed below. Will gold give the big retrace? I don't know. On the smaller time frame, maybe. Depends on how this hourly closes in 45 seconds. We want the hourly below here. This is the hourly, the 5. This is a level on every time frame. Below 1912.544. If we can stay below there, even though the 5-minute close is bullish, you're going to be able to bring that support here now. So a 5-minute closure below there will be great. Right, below 1911.3, but overall, as long as gold closes below 1912.5, and it does, I think we need a top wick here. Yeah, around 1913, 1914 area for top wick. You stream in London tonight? It's gonna be a private session for London. So, if you're part of Wix table. It's gonna be free for you. Zoom's gonna be open, and so is your mic, your cam, your mic, whatever you want to do. When do you sleep? Typically for London, but I've been promising to make up London, and we're getting some movement now, right? And I've been promising to make up the Sunday session, so probably gonna do it today. How many people in the private session usually? It depends, 10 to 20. It's a lousy top wick on this hourly. Clubhouse gives you access to the Sunday session? No, the Clubhouse gives you access to the Zoom every day of the week, except Sunday. Sunday is for Wix's table. I've traded silver before. I like gold better. It's very similar. Silver moves very similar to gold. Wix, I need to get on this Sunday session. We're doing one tonight instead of the Sunday. We're doing one tonight for London in about 3 hours. If we can flip bullish here, come up and tap 13.5, I will have a sell stop on the rebreak of the candle low. So let's see if we can flip bullish here. I just joined to get the icon. Very cool. Yeah, the icon actually changes, Matt. Like the longer you're a member, it changes. Eventually you'll get to like purple pineapple, and then you'll become a celery. And then after a few stages of the celery, you'll become an onion. And who doesn't want to be an onion? Right? Keeps breaking so early in the 5-minute candle, but if we get a closure below here, about 1 5-minute range. We got another. Let's see. Always an onion 3 lifetimes ago? Ogres are like onions. Javier, you have kids, don't you? It's the only reason you would know that is because you have kids. Yep. All right, chat. So let's see if we can flip bullish on this hourly. Drive up and have maybe some sell stops below this previous hourly low. Right? Roughly 18 pips advantage, 50 pips stop, and I will look at take it down to 1904. That's around 69 pips. Looks my comment about future is not a broker plug. I know. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I feel that, cats. I could dig that. Did we re-break the hourly high? Yeah, we did. This candle comes down here and closes below. Will be enough to rip. And yes, I should ditch the photo and name as well. Yes. What's the W? Oh, Javier, W. Nice. Thank you for joining Wix's table. We'll see you tonight. I'll drop the link in the YouTubes, on the Googles, something like that. Okay, nice. Yeah, W for discipline. Waka. Oh, I'm not checking GJ. We've been over this. We tried GJ one time this whole year. We tried GJ when gold was on vacation. Remember when gold dipped to vacation? And we tried GJ and it ranged the whole session. I said, that's it. That was my last try. Oh, hold on. What happened? What happened? This is the deal right now. Wait. You can't touch this, baby. Current situation, chat. They don't want to be on cam. One does, one doesn't. All right, so the gold made a top wick here. Hold on. Wicks, what are they? Human. These are humans. These are my people. I made them. Have you guys made your own people? I'm their leader, chat. Yeah, I don't know. They're glued to me. Can we start coming down here? $15's gonna close doji here, probably. Three girls on the 3-cent help. That's crazy. All right, so yeah, we're closing doji on the 15, which means price stayed the same. Oh, wait. Close bullish, weak bullish. Still respected this level though. So top wick. And then a closure below 1911.318 here, and I'll be in off the rip. Waiting for 1 hour close? No, I'm waiting for a 5-minute close below 1911.31. 5-minute close is below 1911.31. After making this top wick with the 15 closing respecting 1912.52 here, you're about to have a 15 celery play when the 5 closes below there. And we'll look to take advantage of this range. That's if we get the closure below there. If we don't, I'll see you guys during London. Sell stops. How 2022 of you? During London, you trade every session. Do you sleep? For the millionth time, Lord, give me the strength to say this one more time. Thank you. Because it was Father's Day during this Sunday's unfiltered session for the private Zoom gang. We're going to make it up tonight for London. You had one job, Johnez, and you fucked it up. You screwed it up. We close above 1930. You know where 1930 is? It's up here. We have to break all this shit. We have to run across this entire football field to the 50, the 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. Good, go all the way. And then once we're past the touchdown and outside the stadium, we can, at this point, start thinking about the 30. Or 1930. Right now, I'm looking to calm down because the daily has broke the previous daily low, made a top wick. The 4-hour has broken all the previous 4-hour levels. 1 hour, same thing, closed below. Everything's telling me we're bearish, and the only reason we're printing a bullish candle right now is just to pull back so we can continue driving. At some point, these candles are going to give us an indication of either we're coming back down in range or we're creating a steeper wick. And it's going to happen right now in the next few minutes. Might come up here, make a steeper wick on the daily, which would be lovely too, right? For London, you'd have clean ranges up or down. Not the VWAP. Sounds like a dance, right? Like I go to the bank and I VWAP all the way to the bank. You never VWAP? VWAP all the time. Just walking in the bank VWAPing. What you doing VWAPing? You don't do that? What kind of bank is this? Weak ass VWAP game. What are your hobbies? Long romantic walks to the bank. Holding my sandals in one hand. Just over the shoulder. All right. Come back down here, the hourly, nice wick. 30, 15, 5. Give me the fucking closure now. Seriously though. How much percent account gain do you average per month? It varies, and it varies vastly. Like I've had 40% months, I've had 2% months, right? So it varies. Hold on, my kid's calling me. Yo, they so sweet. She just Daniel Tigered me. I was like, have a good night. She's like, hugga mugga. It's cute as hell. Man, I wish they'd never grow up. Alright, we're pushing up here. I think we're gonna call it a stream here if it starts pushing up, because I'm gonna look for more positions during London, pre-London. Let this. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes here for the 30 to close. Should be interesting, but overall, it's our session, chat. I know it kind of ranged here, came down, but we didn't really have an entry for it coming down. Buy, no trade. If it comes down in the next 5 minutes and we close below 1911.31. Hey everybody, welcome Tony. Antonio Goracci. Yo Bambino. Time is London. We're gonna be there. It's gonna be a private session. We'll be there at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. tonight. You'll get a notification. Turn your notifications so you get one from YouTube. Gold's dropping. I know. I'm gonna wait this 5 minutes. We might get a closure. We might not. We got our pullback. We created a range below the range that we needed. Create another support. Now if we break below it, we break in the previous hourly low, previous 30, previous 15, previous, no, the 4 hours already broken. The daily flipped here, broke the previous day. So let's see what these candles tell us. I really wanted like 3 hours of rest, gang, but apparently that ain't gonna happen. Come on down, come on down. We might close within the range on the 30 to make a top wick on the next 30. But this 15, it just, why would it hang around here? It's already rebroke the highs, reflipped. Ain't gonna happen. It might. How old were you when you got your first child? It's a funny story. We were in Costco and they had a BOGO deal. Right? My kid's out there listening like, did you hear that? They got us at Costco. Hell yeah. Hold on a second, chat. I want to make sure that they went to lay down. Hold on. Broke boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when pips come for you? $500 people? Yeah, we were having 900. I don't know. We've lost half the viewership from like 3 months ago. What's going on? Where is everybody? Did 500 people quit trading? Down here till London? I don't know. No, I don't. Thursday night pregame for Friday, something like that. I hope it's not a long session. If like we get a trade at like, if we start the stream at 1, we get a trade at 1:30, I'm gonna call it as soon as that trade's over. If we end it at like 1, we are out of the trade by 1:40, I'll call it at 1:40. It's sudden death trading. First pip wins. You master gold by sticking to it. Summertime exposes people. Summertime, people expose themselves. Where do you sign up for Wood Table? Wix Table? On YouTube. Here, next to the subscribe button, there's a join button. Beautiful. This is what 20,000 candles will do for you. Join down tomorrow morning? Yeah, I'll be on in the morning too. I'll be tired, but I'll be on. Yeah, you probably can't join right now because you're on the phone. If you get on the desktop, you'll probably be able to join. I'm trying to see if the level can be lower. Just like that. Yeah, chat. Close bullish here in 5 minutes or in 2 minutes. We're gonna call it. Thank you so much for coming through, mods. Appreciate yous. If you're a mod on here, obviously you know there's gonna be a link for a London session in the mod section in the Discord. Outside of that, everyone Wix's table. I'll see you guys as I start saying that. This shit starts flipping bearish. But let me just get it out. I'll see you guys at 1 a.m. around. Everyone else, go join Wix's table if you want to be a part of that, part of the private session. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. The rest of yous, I'll see yous on Don's channel. And do not be here. There's no Asian session tomorrow. It's Friday. So our next Asian session will be on Monday. Oh, and we'll run another private session on Sunday. So you guys are getting on Thursday and Sunday for the private group. Within a few short days, within like 3 days. Yes, you're getting one. Can you fucking close bullish here? Like WTF, yo. Yeah. Yeah, private London session. I'm gonna be pissed if this comes down, closes below, we get in a position, and then we sit in that position for 2-3 hours. It's gonna be a long ass stream. I'll just leave this shit open. Coming down here. I waited this long. Let's see what happens. You don't have to do the London session then? No, I've been promising it. Watch, I'm gonna go put my kids to bed and pass out. Y'all gonna be sitting here for half the night waiting on me. No, I won't pass out, I promise you. I got my watch on, so like if anything, you guys can just start fucking spamming my name or something, tagging me and shit. And it'll vibrate. This candle needs to flip bullish. That's what it needs to do. It needs to flip bullish, close bullish. It keeps trickling down here, and I'm not okay with this shit. running $900 on Go right now. Why hasn't this guy traded yet? Man. I ain't even gonna do it to you. I ain't even gonna do it. You don't deserve it. I know, Green. I know. How many more times can we flip this? Yeah, this isn't close below. I'm gonna call it. I swear, I'm gonna call it, Chad. I've said goodbye like a bunch of times already. I'm gonna call it. You better close below, yo. Who's sitting at their computer right now with the strap pointed fucking at the screen right now like this, just sideways too? It's over here like this. Do something. Yeah, it tapped it and it's rejecting here, chat. Oh no, 10 seconds. Yo, watch us close below. 9, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. None. All right, I'm gonna give it this 4 minutes. I'm gonna go see if my kids are passing out yet. I'm gonna go take a puff of the magic dragon here real quick. See if my kids are sleeping, and then I'll be back in time for this candle to close. Wait, you can't say we didn't try. Stuck around, it hasn't closed. What can I do? Pip City, I know what you're trying to do. Yeah, gang, I'm gonna call it here. I love all of you. Thank you so much for coming through and supporting. Everyone at Sable, I'll see you guys in like 2.5, 3 hours. I'm gonna try to get a drink, some rest, put my kids to bed. I'll see you guys in a few hours. Other than that, I'll see the rest of you in the morning on Don's stream, and I'll see everyone else for sure on Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. Thank you very much. All right, gang. We've heard enough songs, right? So I think it's time we just call it a night. All right, just like that.